Use to set off a car alarm. YouTube, so in today's video we have a Liberty Rock Supra. We're with the owner right here. He's gonna tell us a little bit about the car.
My GR Launch Edition Liberty Rock Mark V Supra. It's 2020. So far all I've done is a custom 101 exhaust, a custom downpipe. It'll go custom tuned pretty soon. Obviously with the Launch Edition you have a red interior. The Liberty Rock kit, there's only I believe now 5 in the US. You can hear it idling. The exhaust isn't quite fully done, but most of it's down there. I'm on Rohana wheels. These are like $10,000 wheels if you want to buy some for yourself. Mine are stretched, custom made. Stretched 295s in the rear. It's got a $10,000 custom paint job. It's if you move up close, you can see the metallic flakes inside of it.
It's a little bit dirty, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's also a little bit dirty, so the camera, they're gonna see it, they're gonna be like, it's dirty! It's dirty. Are those Supra headlights, stock headlights?
Yeah.
Really? These look kind of cool. What the fuck? Got the splitter, everything, the tow hook. So is there anything done performance-wise other than exhaust? You said downpipe?
Yeah, just downpipe, and then it'll get custom tuned soon.
Custom tune, no, not custom. Dude, Liberty Walk, downpipe, exhaust, upgraded wheels, stretched. On the Mark V Supra Launch Edition with the red interior. This thing is fucking gnarly. And do you have air suspension?
Yeah, I'm on bags too.
You're on bags too. We forgot to leave out one of the most important fucking things. Aired out to the fucking ground. Have you tried that dollar bill shit? Checking it with the $100 bill? Checking the fucking gap? Damn. You can hear the fucking motor in the fucking airbag. That's fucking sick. Literally feel every single bump. Yeah. This is kind of crazy. It sounds sick though. Is it DCT? Is it?
Well, it's its own transmission. It's not dual clutch, but
that sounds really fucking cool if you ask me. Look at that! Look at that view on the fucking mirror.
But what the hell, boy?
Dude, that is fucking gnarly.
But Ricky, what I'm telling you, that I have no idea why I beat that AMG. I genuinely don't.
My goodness.
I never should have won that race.
Damn. I guess that's the downside about bags, huh?
There's a lot of doubts if they catch a leak. Oh shit.
Fuck him. You just set off a car alarm. Can you hear it? Yeah. You just set off a car alarm. Bro, it sounds gnarly. And you spin? Make it left. Sorry. I can't. I mean, I gotta hand it to Toyota, dude. That fucking thing is sick. This is gonna be a fucking cool ass build. Liberty Walk kit already on it. You already got the stretch tires on it.
Yeah, but I'm gonna swap them out for welds. S77.
Alright guys, we're Damn. Alright guys, we're gonna go over the border real quick and we'll be right back. Yo, we just made it over the border to Mexico. We're gonna enjoy a little nice drive here in the Mexico highways. Fuck it. Stay in this lane, the highway is coming up. Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing is fucking gnarly. Damn. I think it's fucking hard. I think it's fucking sick as fuck. I wonder what these randoms think. My goodness. I'll tell you which lane it is. Stay in this one because it's gonna be a roundabout. It's gonna be like this. That's so ready to get in your right lane, right here. Dude, fucking hell. Oh my goodness. Damn, it's the highway. Sounds so good on the inside too. Guys, this is no tune either, right? This is no tune. No tune. This is downpipe, no tune on a Supra. The B58 goes fucking gnarly, bro. That back view is fucking nuts though. The WideBody fucking butt on that BBL, crazy. Shifts, bro. Gosh damn. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Does it handle well or no? I can see why this thing gets so much fucking attention. Oh my gosh. Fucking insane. So does this thing have like, different modes and shit too?
What do you mean?
Does it have like sport and shit?
Yeah, sport and then just comfort and shit. Gets like this.
It's like a sequential. That's fucking cool. You can get off. You can get off here, and then we can just do a U-turn right back around. Bro, the ceiling is so low though. It's lower than my Porsche. Yeah. The ceiling.
Yeah, it is.
Oh shit, that's a cop. That's a cop. That's a cop.
Is my light green?
Yeah, your light's green. Shit, that's a cop. Mexico police, don't catch us today! Oh, he didn't get, he went straight, we're good. We made it out. the microphone's actually capturing all the fucking pops and shit.
I wonder that too. Popping at 100 miles an hour is crazy.
Yeah. On Mexico highways, guys. This is not anywhere in any legal highway in the U.S. We went all the way to Mexico just for this video. It sounds so good too. You need a flame tune and a like fucking. You need everything. I would just go all the way to your right so you can get off at this exit. Oh, I was to get off here, my bad. I can't put that in there, it was a fucking sign. Alright guys, we're gonna go back to the US real quick and I'll be right back. So guys, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up and check out his page down below. But yeah man, this is the WideBody Liberty Walk Supra. And that is it.